Good evening. As the Reggae Girls begin their quest for a place in the 2019 World Cup in France, it seems an ideal time to again urge the Jamaica Football Federation and the corporate Jamaica to continue to join forces to maintain a women's league. For years, several Jamaican women and girls have picked up scholarships and overseas contracts based on their footballing prowess. The team presently in Texas, playing in the CONCACAF Championships, includes a significant number of locally bred players who came through the ISA Schoolgirl League as well as the JFF Women's League. Reggae Girls head coach Hugh Menzies has repeatedly said that no country can have a successful senior football program without a properly run league. Despite the absence of many-time champions Barbican and Los Perfectos, who were the beaten finalists in the last time the league was contested, the competition in the Women's League has been fairly competitive. The biggest issue most teams have is the fitness level and the discipline of their players. This is largely due to the near 2-year absence of the league and many teams' inability to begin training early due to the uncertainty which surrounded the resumption of the league. FIFA's stance has always been one of strong support for our women's program internationally. In CONCACAF, the countries that are strongest in the confederation are those with strong women's leagues. If we want to consistently do well against countries such as the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Costa Rica, we have to keep our girls and women playing consistently. There's no shortcut to this. I have no problems with bringing in talented players born of Jamaican parents living in the United States and Europe, but as in the men's game, it must not be to the detriment of developing the local leagues. At the end of these CONCACAF championships, the Reggae Girls travel to England for a friendly festival. I sincerely hope that the JFF builds on this bounce, whether we qualify for the World Cup or not, by putting more in the Women's League as well as the Schoolgirl League. I'm Karen Madden. Good evening.